This right here is why we don't crawl. And that. Don't scream at me. You did this to yourself.
Watch out. Really? You did that to me? I swear to God, look at me. Look at my hair standing straight up. I've got cold chills.
Oh my God. Huh?
Gigi, how do you feel about what's happening with the world right now? I put that glass in the oven. Fuck off!
Maybe I got rid of me those.
Oh my God, that makes me happy.
Jace, no.
What are you talking about? Playing a game of whack here. What?
Easy. I'll give you a piece, bro.
This is Jude peeing in my puzzle. That's a Merry Christmas to me. Because he doesn't think he got any presents, but he does have a present under the tree.
No thank you. No thank you. Okay.
I honestly have no idea why he does this. My working theory is that he's stupid.
والله ما نضرب. خدعة خدعة. ترى ما كله فرد.
Good morning.
Fucking idiot, yeah.